Hello everyone. So today we'll be looking at another question from our LeetCode arrays section, which is called Richest Customer Wealth. Now, this is also one of the easy questions and you can solve it by yourself as well. But I picked this up because it is our first question in our 2D arrays part. Okay. So, to get used to with the 2D arrays and how to access each element, I've picked this. Okay. So what the question says is you are given an m cross n integer grid accounts, okay, where accounts of ij, that means ith row and jth column, okay, is the amount of money the ith customer has in the jth bank. So I think to simplify this, we'll say is we have a two-dimensional array. Okay, values we are given as 1, 2, and 3, and this is 3, 2, 1. So if we take it in the form of matrix, okay, we are given 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1, and they are telling us that the amount of money the ith customer, so this is the 0th row, this is the first row, this is I, this is the 0th column, first column, and second column. This is J. Okay. Yeah. Amount of money ith customer has in the jth bank. So the 0th customer has 1 unit of money in 0th bank. Similarly, 0th person has 2 units of money in the first bank and 3 units of money in the second bank. Likewise for the customer with first index. Okay, a customer's wealth is the amount of money they have all in their banks. That means if we want to calculate the wealth of 0th customer, we need to find the sum of this whole row. Okay, and we need to return the richest customer, that is the customer whose sum is maximum. So this is nothing but a simple question where you need to return this row with the maximum sum. Okay, let's say this has 8, for example. This row has a few values and it has total of 8. This has 10. Okay, this has 12. Okay, and this has 7. Okay, so we will return the answer 12 because it is the maximum in all of this. Okay, the time complexity of this problem is going to be m cross n, where m is the row and n is going to be the column, because we will be iterating through all the elements. So there will be nested loops, and nested loops it will take m cross n amount of time. Okay, so I think that's enough for the theoretical part. Let's jump right into the code. So first we need to find our sum. Okay, we'll start iterating through our array. Now the first one will going to be the size of the whole array, that is the row. Okay, and the next one will be for each row what is the value of j. Okay, so accounts of ith row till that length. Okay, now we need to calculate our sum. Okay, let me change this to result, and we will have sum plus equals to array of ij. It's not array, it's account of I comma j. Now at every row will have some different sum. Okay, so we will initialize this sum, we will define this sum not outside this for loop, but inside this for loop. So whenever we go to the new row, the sum automatically it is reassigned to 0. Okay. After this for loop, we will check which is greater. Is the result that we have is that is greater, or the sum that we have is that is greater. To say it simply, let me 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 4, and 6, 8, 10. Okay. So when we go here, we will get sum is equal to 6, but here our result is equal to 0. Okay. So after coming out of this, we will compare, is 0 greater than 6? No. Then we will assign 6 to our result. Result will be equals to math.max of 6 and 0. So this is going to be 6. Okay. Now here the maximum will going to be 4 plus 3, 7 plus 2, 9. We will again compare 6 and 9. 9 is greater, so we will assign result is equal to 9. And now here we will again check which is greater. So the sum is equal to 24. Okay, so result is going to be 24. So that's why we are going to we are doing this part. Okay, and at the end, after this loop, we will simply return our result. Okay, let's see. Okay, sorry about that. What is happening? Yeah, so it was that easy. Just it is simple, just because this is 2D array, that is why I picked this up. Okay, I would recommend that you also go and check running some of 1D array. Okay, and yeah, so that's it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.